welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivani, a student passionate about diving deep into the world of data science. So, if you are watching this video, this is the last video in our data science series. Over the past 11 videos, we have explored topics like basis of Python, regression model, neural networks, clustering, and many more using Python. Today, as we wrap up this incredible journey, we bring it together and reflect on the big picture of data science in its real world application. So, the last topic for the series is association rule. In this video, we will learn what is association rule. Association rules are the fundamental concepts in data mining that helps uncover interesting relationship or patterns between items in large data sets. For example, in retail setting, they can reveal that customers who buy a bread are likely to buy butter as well. These rules are represented in form of if A then B. The strength of these relationship is measured using metrics such as support, confidence, and lift. Next, mining association rule. The mining association rule in Python is made simpler with libraries like MSTEL. The first step is to pre-process the data and transform it into the suitable format, such as transaction dataset for one hot encoded data frame. Then using APRO algorithm, we generate frequent item sets. Finally, we extract association rule from these item sets based on the threshold for the matrices like support and confidence. Let's see a Python implementation for this. Python implementation. To mine the association rule in Python, we use Maxent library, which provides an implementation for a priori algorithm for mining frequently item set and association rule. Let's start by installing library and loading a simple dataset. Here we created a small list of transactions and used transactional encoder to convert this data into a format suitable for mining association rule. Each row in the data frame represents a transaction and each column corresponds to an item. Next, we use the mining frequently item set using Aproy. These combinations of the item that appears together frequently transaction, we set a minimum support threshold of zero point 0.5. The Aproy algorithm identify the item set that is made to the minimum support threshold. In the case we said minimum support is zero point 0.5, meaning the item set must appear in an at least 50% of the transaction. Next, we generate association rule. Now we have the frequently items set. Let's generate the association rule. This rule will include matrices such as confidence, lift, and support. Let's filter the out with minimum confidence of zero point 0.7. The association rule function generates the rule from the frequent item set and we set a minimum confidence threshold of zero point 0.5. This ensures that we only give the rule where the likelihood of the consequence item be occurring given the ancestor time is at least 70%. So now let's see the next one. How to apply confidence differentiation criteria. The confidence differentiation criteria evaluates the strength of a rule by comparing its confidence to the confidence of the complement. So this measures how long the much stronger the rule is compared to a random guess. In Python, you can compute this part analysis. So let's see a Python code for this. So let's now apply the confidence differential criterization. We compare the difference in the confidence of two rules and select one of the higher confidence difference. Here we calculate the difference between the confidence of each for the each rule. A higher confidence means differentiation and the rule confidence is significantly greater and its left, which suggests that the rule is more flexible. So let's now see the next topic, which is the applying the confidential question criterization. The confidence coefficient criteria compares to the confidence of the rule expected confidence if the ancestor and the consistent were independent. This helps us to filter out the only marginal then the random association. By analyzing the confidence coefficient, we can focus on the general rule for the association rather than superior correlations. So let's see the Python code for this. Let's calculate the confidence coefficient for each rule and filter the coefficient greater than 1, which indicates a stronger association than expected. We calculated the expected confidence, which can be approximated by the support of rule. The confidence coefficient is the ratio of rule confidence than expected the confidence. The rule of the quotient is greater than 1, consider the stronger than expected. So in today's video, we learn how to mine the association rule using Python with the Mixten library. We also explore two important criteria for evaluating the confidence differentiation criteria and the confidence quotient criteria. These techniques allow us to identify the most reliable and meaningful relationship in our data. So, if you found so that's how you can use association rule. And that brings us to the end of the video and our data science series. We have explored the fantastic world of association rule and dug deep into the mining them using Python along with the advanced techniques like confidence, difference and confidence question criteria. Thank you for joining me in this journey. I hope these videos have been as insightful as rewarding as for you they were for to me create. If you found this series helpful, don't forget to like. So, thank you for watching the video and keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep learning. Bye.